My last update of this project fan. Hello guys, this is Sandra here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. It's lovely to have you here and I hope you're gonna enjoy your time. So today I'm gonna update you on all the palettes that I'm currently penning. Well, they're all eyeshadow palettes. And don't mind me, I just did a really neon makeup if you like how this looks. I'm gonna link the video right here. It's already up on my channel and I'm feeling my 90s kid fantasy. I am a 90s kid. I'm just having my space buns. My makeup is reminding me of the clothes I used to wear in the 90s and I'm just rolling with the super glowy skin. So, you know, don't mind me. I'm not gonna ramble for much longer because we're gonna jump into these three palettes. So the first palette is the Wet n Wild palette in the shade Rosé in the Air. And last month I had 5 pens in this. And are you ready? This month I finally have a new pen as well. So last month we were really close to hitting pen on the dark brown shade. And this month we finally got there. I mainly use this as a liner and I feel like in my brows it's a little bit too warm, so it's not exactly a great color for that. Plus I'm mainly using my Naked Basics for that. But it was wonderful. It was so nice as a liner. It blends easily. It's just the right amount of dark. So I really enjoyed using it. With all the other shades, oh, actually, did I have more pen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I had 6. But I repressed this cream color. I will put up a picture of that on the screen as well. I showed you how it looks once I repressed it. To be fair, I don't think you can see much of a difference. This time around I repressed a lot of shadows in there. I used a little bit of Venus from this palette and some other cream shadows just so I could use this a little bit as well, and it gives it a tiniest hint of glow. It came out as a beautiful color, but for some reason I did not reach for cream colors that much, so I didn't manage to use that up again like I did last time. But on all the other shades, especially I think the 2 transition shades, I did widen the pen. Now, it's quite hard to see based on the pictures how much they got widened. I used this gold shade quite a bit as well. So there's a really decent amount of dip in there, but unfortunately there's no pen on that yet. But, you know, there's, again, I'm pretty sure I used all the shades in this palette. I don't think there's just one I haven't. So I'm making a steady progress, but obviously, even though I feel like this is quite easy to pen, there's, you know, a lot of job still left to do. Does that sentence make sense? There's still a lot left to do. I think that makes more sense. But as you can see, it's looking great, and at this point I have 6 pens. So I have pen on half of the shades, and obviously the cream shadow I used up before, I just keep refilling it. But yeah, I used up at least half of the palette, so I feel like that's really good going with this. My last update of this project the last update of this project fan, oh my god, project fan, no. The last update of this project pen was the beginning of April, so it was just a little bit over a month ago, so we should have fairly good progress. Or, well, at least similar to the previous months, you know. So the next palette is the Naked Basics, and we finally hit pen on Venus, as in like side pen, but I think that's only because I used a little bit of that in my Wet n Wild palette. Apart from that, while I kept using it for my brows, I don't think there's a lot of progress on this, unfortunately. I'm not even sure I used Crave, if I'm fully honest. Maybe just a little bit to darken up the tails of my brow. But I haven't used an awful lot, so we'll see what the progress is going to be like on that. I'm not sure. But hey, we have side pen on Venus, so you know, every little victory counts, and I feel like this is the palette that's super slow going, because those shades I don't use for anything else, but either for an inner corner highlight, a liner, or my brows. So you know, it's fairly limited and I only need a small amount, so I'm not even sure I can finish this year. Maybe I should use Venus more as a highlighter and then faint more in the outer corner to darken up, and that might help. But again, then we still have Cray, which is a black color. We'll see. Might have been ambitious. I thought that, oh, I have a year, it's gonna be so easy. Right. But, you know, we still have a tiniest bit of progress, so I feel like that's fine, right? And then the last palette we have is the Balm NudeTude palette, which I talked about in my intro that I might roll in throughout the year. And then last month I said that I feel like with those two, even though I love them and I enjoy using them, I feel like I need a bit of variety throughout the year. So I rolled in this one. And last time we had 4 pens on it and then 1 fully gone. And I'm happy to say that this month we have a new pen on this one as well, which is the shade Standoffish. I loved it either in the inner corner or all over my eyes, with Stubborn in the crease or with the pink shade in the crease from this. They were just so beautiful together and I enjoy that color a lot. With all the other shades, I used all of them at least once, but I'm not sure you're going to be able to see any progress. Now, obviously, some of them I used more than once. I'm just not sure I used them enough for you to be able to tell. But, you know, we have a new pen, so woohoo! I feel like Standoffish was a shade I enjoyed before as well. It's a it's a really Stila Kitten kind of shade in my eyes anyway, where it's like that champagne-y, shimmery kind of shade is beautiful. And then all the other shades, of course, as I mentioned, I used. I'm just not sure I used enough. But Sleek, this dark brown, I love using in my eyebrows as well, or again as a smudged out liner. It works so well. Selfish is a beautiful cool tone brown. No, cool tone brown. And then Seductive can be quite nice to use with like a coppery shade. This is like goldeny brown, but it's quite nice with the coppery one as well. Sassy is a beautiful in the inner corner with a pinky eye, like something that I have on today. Snobby, I usually mix with Snobby and Standoffish. I can mix those two, so like this goldeny and then this champagne color to use on my brow bone as well. So I used all of them, but obviously I haven't hit pen on anything else. But you know, that's an extra pen. So at least I had one shade that went really well in each palette, which I guess, you know, is a small victory. As I said before, every little bit helps. But that's it for today. It's just a short and sweet update for you all. Again, if you like this look, it will be linked in the cards. And I think for today I'm gonna go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you could join our little community. I update videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I have the occasional Saturday videos too. If again you like this, thumbs up please. I already said that, I know. I'm just trying to wrap this up so quickly so it's not too long and I'm messing it up. But also please consider subscribing, and if you're already subscribed, hit the bell so you get notified every time I upload. But for now I'm gonna go. I hope you have a lovely day. Bye bye.